I've done a lot of courses with Soma and Lisa before, and all of them have been amazing. So this course was really, really beautiful, and I think everyone should do it. Not many people really learn how to do it, and they go straight into a relationship and they think, okay, this is how you do it, this is how everyone does it. But there is actually the awareness and the knowledge how to do it harmoniously, how to also actually evolve in a relationship, how to use it in a spiritual way. Soma as a teacher is always a true blessing, because he can always bring this centeredness, and he can always share the knowledge that he has in such a profound way that it touches everyone's heart. For me personally, it was great knowledge, great experience, and very needed. So I'm very grateful for it.